Alright, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, before you is a 2006 VW Rabbit. And the whole story behind this is this car was actually bought sight unseen. So I've never seen this car in my entire life besides the photos that were posted on the auction block. And $400 later, it's in our name, and now I need to do something with it. And as you can see, it looks like it's been eaten by a shark. The whole left side of the rear bumper is completely gone. The taillight was destroyed, but the good news is it actually does run and drive. And what's interesting too, on top of this, it has a R32 rear end conversion. So that means that it has an R32 rear bumper as well as a full MagnaFlow R32 exhaust. And I mean, besides the damage in the corner, it's not too bad. It does have its cosmetic blemishes. I mean, it's an old car, especially an old German car. And as you know, I'm not a huge fan of German cars in general, but you know, it was kind of a time to mix it up and try something new. So I'm pretty interested in seeing what we can do with this. I've been trying to source the parts, and the hardest thing so far has been trying to find this R32 bumper, because you can't actually put a Rabbit bumper anymore due to the exhaust, because it comes out the middle instead of the left side. But as we do like a quick little walk around of the car, it's not bad for what it is. It's got 130,000 miles, and it actually does have a 5-speed manual transmission. And after taking this thing around the block and just being able to drive it for a little bit, it's a really fun little car. It's pretty lightweight. It's a 2-door hatchback. There have been some like little modifications here and there, but mechanically it's pretty stock. And here's a listen to it when it first runs. The engine sounds really good.
You kind of have to push right here to clear this.
It's like it's stuck. Maybe just a little bit of WD-40 or something. There's water in the trunk? Spare looks good.
Oh, there's no tank underneath, right?
You gotta check. You gotta put a hole in the gas tank. You might need the power, Joe.
What is this in here?
That might be... Oh, that's cool. The original radio. Yeah. It's coming out. Well, problem 1 solved. So here's the car. So comment down below and let me know what you think. I think it'll be a fun little project just to kind of restore it. I'm not going to go too crazy with this car. And if you guys are more interested in this, just let me know. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.